Today I wanted to give you a couple of tips to help you take the best possible care of your puppies and kitties. And what better place to go than my personal veterinarian, which is Founders Veterinary Clinic in Brea. This has been my home away from home for over 20 years. Love how clean the facilities are, state-of-the-art equipment, and of course friendly and knowledgeable staff to help you care for your best furry friend.
Hi guys, it's Cindy and I'm here with my friend and my own personal veterinarian, Dr. Zempo. She's the owner and veterinarian at Founders Vet Clinic in Brea. And gosh, I don't even know how long I've known you. I mean, it's crazy. I didn't want to think about it anymore. And you have, oh my gosh, she's talked me down quite a few times. Literally, sometimes I have come in here, I can't even talk about it, in tears in this very room. And you've helped me through some really sticky situations, so I can't say enough about this woman. And she was so kind enough to sit down with me for a few minutes. She's so busy. And on top of everything else, she's got a cute little Kenji Poo, which is just a year.
He's 2.
Yeah, 2 years. 2 years old. Oh, he's so cute. So she's a busy woman, I want to sit down because I love so many things that you have to say, and you educate me all the time, and when I have a question, I'm on the phone, what does this mean? And so I want her to educate you a little bit. And first and foremost, I think one of the things that's so important is vaccines. And this is something I talk about and want you to be aware of, is the vaccine situation and the data that's coming out. And so anyway, I'll let you talk about what you want people to know about vaccines.
Okay, well, we are learning that we don't want to over-vaccinate because there can be side effects to over-vaccinating. So we are very conservative here as far as vaccines. We have the ability to do vaccine titers. For the distemper
what's a titer?
And parvo. So that's a blood test that allows us to know if there are adequate levels for the body to fight against disease. And so if we have adequate levels, we don't have to vaccinate. We do have to do the rabies every 3 years. That is by law. But the distemper parvo, we could titer without having to vaccinate every year.
Now, what about like Bordetella, coronavirus, those things?
Coronavirus is usually a puppyhood illness. So adult healthy dogs, we generally don't vaccinate because by that time they have a good immune system.
Sure.
Bordetella, we do that as a case-by-case basis for those that go into high population areas, density, just like in preschool, daycare, boarding facilities, grooming facilities. Those that
so
go
if they have more exposure
to other dogs, we do vaccinate.
Okay, but we're talking above and beyond puppy vaccines.
Yes.
So puppy vaccines, they still go through their puppy series.
Yes.
It's just everything over that.
Yes.
And cats, the same thing.
Yes, we are very conservative also with cats. If they're indoors, they do have a smaller possibility of coming into contact with other cats that may have diseases, so
right.
We are very conservative that way if they're indoors.
Are there titers that you can run for?
They're not that we do commonly for cats.
Okay, just keep your cats inside.
Exactly. Very safe inside. Very safe.
I have a pampered house cat.
Yes, so do I.
That sits in the window and watches the world go by, and he's quite happy about it too.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
It's a lot safer.
Okay, so vaccines, titers, and also a lot of boarding facilities are taking the titers as well, just so you guys know that.
Yes.
Camp Bow Wow, I know, will take them. I think PetSmart takes them. Just talk to your boarding facilities and see if they'll take a titer. Now, what are some of the things, reasons that we don't want to over-vaccinate? What are some of the complications that are happening with dogs and cats that are over-vaccinated?
Sometimes we do see maybe immune-related problems, illnesses, vaccine reactions.
What would be a vaccine reaction?
Some dogs have a severe vaccine reaction where they start vomiting, break out in hives. Some even have anaphylaxis.
Oh, wow.
So those dogs we don't vaccinate.
So with puppies going through their puppy series, that's something that people should be aware of too.
Yes.
To watch that they don't have a reaction like that even with the puppy series.
Exactly, exactly. Most puppies do okay, but there are a few that after the first couple, they start to react, and those we do go very conservatively.
Sure. Okay. Anything else you want to say about vaccines?
Not that I can
Awesome.
think of.
Anything else that you want to mention?
I don't think so. Not that I can think of right now.
Well, we'll just have to, do this again
Yes.
when you think of something else. Thank you for doing
Thank
this.
you
I
for
appreciate
your
it
time
so
as well.
much. And thank you guys. Until next time.
Thank you.
See you later.